So here we have our top brand new bumper, completely indestructible, made with the top quality carbon fiber. You can kick it, stomp on it, nothing. It won't even crash. That will buff out. That will buff out. This ain't made diluted. It's completely fine. That's buffable. Wait. As you can instantly lighter weight. So oh shit. I'll take this home. This lightweight. This reduction right here though. I took off probably like 20 pounds right here, so my car about to like fly through the street. Damn. We'll be back after these commercials. Here's my buddy's 350Z. What's up? Currently
Got a little crow's nest.
it has a beautiful hole that we're going to be fixing. Basically throwing this bumper out and putting in the Vicrez Rocket Bunny.
Indestructible.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And we're going to be bringing you more content with the 350Z, review on it and stuff like that. This is the HR edition, the 2007. So, or is it 2008?
7.
Right, so here's Nick's Rocket Bunny 350Z bumper. Made by Vicrez, so it's made of this crazy cool material. It doesn't break. I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick, buy him a mesh, put the mesh in, show you guys where I'm gonna drill it, stuff like that. Right now he's at a class, so when he comes back around 3:34, I'm gonna install it in his car and show you guys how it looks. But fitment should be like perfect, so kind of excited to see what it looks like on his car. So we just went to Home Depot, bought this mesh for $9. It's gonna get the job done. It's exactly what we need. It's the Rocket Bunny bumper by Vicrez, so it's a weird material like I mentioned before, but we're gonna get to it, start cutting holes, cutting the mesh, and putting the mesh right in. So there you guys have it. Just cut it to the piece of the outside cutout. I'm still gonna cut more pieces off, bend it right here, and then drill some holes and zip tie it. This is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna finish cutting this side right here, this part out, so it looks exactly like that, and then I'm gonna be zip tying it in. Well, that's done. Kind of drilled more holes than I needed to, but it's fine. Came out pretty good though. So here's the old bumper we're about to take off, all damaged with the big ass hole, and here's the new one that's about to go on with the mesh grill and everything installed. Looks good. All right, bumper's finally on, mesh is on, looks really good. What is it, flabbing? Do you have to zip tie it? Old crap, new. And that right there is the finished product. Nice. Which sucker? They're all there.
And you put everything back?
Yep.
No, it's probably no.
Oh, those. Nice. How do you feel about it?
Good, yeah. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Just gotta clean it.